Mine's for Biz Inc., an online business school/employment agency. Business startup, advertisement and marketing, business growth, and problem solving. Please visit our website and get all your business-related questions answered by clicking on the first-time free consultation button. Here are the details of what an accountant can do for your business or organization. Assist with incorporation. What business professionals can assist with incorporating your business or organization? When incorporating a business or organization, attorneys and accountants can help you choose the best business structure, navigate legal requirements, and understand the tax implications of your chosen structure. Key points about their roles. Attorneys provide legal expertise on the incorporation process, draft necessary documents like articles of incorporation, ensure compliance with state regulations, and advise on complex business structures. Accountants help you understand the tax implications of different business structures, advise on financial reporting requirements, and assist with tax planning related to your new business. Provide legal expertise on the incorporation process, draft necessary documents like articles of incorporation, ensure compliance with state regulations, and advise on complex business structures. Registered agent services. Companies that can act as your official legal address to receive important legal documents on your behalf. Important considerations. Complexity of your business. If your business is complex or operates in a highly regulated industry, consulting with an attorney is highly recommended. State regulations. Incorporation rules vary by state, so it's important to choose professionals familiar with your state's laws. Why incorporate your business or organization? There are several reasons to incorporate a business or organization, including asset protection. Incorporating a business can protect your assets from lawsuits and creditors. Tax benefits. Incorporation can provide tax benefits, such as receiving income as dividends instead of a salary. Raising capital. Incorporating a business can make raising capital and borrowing money easier. Building a reputation. Incorporating a business can help build a better reputation and credibility. Brand protection. Incorporating a business can help protect your brand. Perpetual existence. Incorporating a business can give it perpetual existence, meaning it can continue to operate even after you're gone. Transferability of ownership. Incorporating a business can make it easier to transfer ownership. Flexibility. Incorporation can provide flexibility with the number of owners. What are the different types of tax structures you can incorporate your business or organization with? The most common forms of business are sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and S-corporation. A limited liability company, LLC, is a business structure allowed by state statute. Legal and tax considerations enter into selecting a business structure. When incorporating your business or organization as a business structure, you are going to need an accountant to help you understand what is the best tax structure for your business or organization and tell you what tax structure is commonly selected in your industry and by your competitors. What is the process for incorporating your business or organization? Incorporating a business involves choosing a business name, selecting a state to incorporate in, drafting and filing articles of incorporation with the state's Secretary of State, appointing a registered agent to receive legal documents, creating corporate bylaws, and obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. Essentially, establishing your business as a legal entity separate from its owners by following state regulations and filing the necessary paperwork. Critical steps in the incorporation process. Choose a business name. Select a unique name that complies with local naming rules and check if it's available. How do you find out if a fictitious business name is available for a new business? To find out if a fictitious business name, also known as a DBA, is available for a new business, you need to search the database of your state's Secretary of State office, usually accessible through their website. To check if the name is already registered by another business entity, you can also search the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, database to see if the name is trademarked federally. Key points to remember. Check your state's Secretary of State website. This is the primary source to verify if a business name is available in your state. Use the Business Entity Search tool. Most Secretary of State websites have a dedicated search function to look up business names. Search for trademarks on USPTO. Even if a name isn't registered in your state, it might be trademarked federally, so check the USPTO database as well. Returning to what is the process for incorporating your business or organization. Select a state to incorporate in. Usually, this is the state where your business will primarily operate. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a person or business entity to receive legal documents on behalf of the company. Draft articles of incorporation. Prepare a document detailing your business information, including name, address, purpose, number of shares, and registered agent. File articles of incorporation. Submit the articles of incorporation to the state's Secretary of State office. Create corporate bylaws. Establish internal rules and procedures for managing the corporation, including shareholder meetings, director elections, and officer duties. There are examples and templates to draft company bylaws online. You can access them by doing a Google search to duplicate their content or adjust their content to suit your business or organization's needs. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Apply for a federal tax identification number from the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. Important considerations. Legal structure. Decide which business structure is best for your needs, like C Corporation, S Corporation, or LLC. Professional advice. Consult with an attorney or accountant to navigate the incorporation process and ensure compliance with legal requirements. State-specific regulations. Each state has its own rules regarding incorporation, so check your state's requirements carefully. To register a business with the federal government, you'll need to apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN. This 9-digit number identifies your business's tax accounts with the federal government. You can apply for an EIN online, by mail, by fax, or by phone. The application is free. To incorporate, what governmental forms do you need to fill out and submit to the government? The documents you need to incorporate a business vary based on your state and business structure. Here are some examples of documents you might need. Articles of organization. A document that describes the basics of your LLC, including the company name, address, member names, and the registered agent. Operating agreement. A document that describes the structure of your company's financial and functional decisions, including how key business decisions are made, and each member's duties, powers, and responsibilities. Where can you go to get governmental forms that can be used to incorporate your business or organization? You can order certified copies of your articles of incorporation online at corporationspa.gov. To do this, you can create an account. Search for the entity. Order copies using a credit card. Can your governmental forms to incorporate your business or organization be filed online? Yes, you can file governmental forms to incorporate a business or organization online in Pennsylvania. Business Filing Services. The Department of State's Bureau of Corporations and Charitable Organizations, BCO, offers a variety of forms in the Business Filing Services portal for filing new entities or requesting changes to existing entities. Filing process. Online filing is encouraged as the easiest and fastest way to get documents processed. Submissions are processed in the order they are received unless expedited services are requested. Returning documents. Once completed, documents submitted online will be returned via the Business Filing Services portal. Viewing the status of purchases. You can view the status of purchases in the My Work Queue section of the Business Filing Services. Expedited services. Expedited request forms are available in person at the Bureau's reception room. You can also request expedited services with online filings. Once your application, registration, or governmental form for incorporating your business has been submitted to the government, how much time does it usually take before you receive your articles of incorporation? After submitting your business incorporation application to the government, you can typically expect to receive your articles of incorporation within a week to 10 business days in most states. However, processing times can vary depending on the state and whether you file online or by mail, with some states processing faster than others, sometimes taking as little as a couple of days or as long as a few weeks. Key points to remember. State variations. Processing times significantly differ based on the state you're incorporating in. Online filing. Filing online usually results in faster processing compared to mail. Expedited options. Some states offer expedited processing for an additional fee, allowing you to receive your articles sooner. What are the results of incorporating your business or organization? Incorporating your business creates a separate legal entity, shielding your assets from business debts and liabilities, providing limited liability protection, and generally enhancing your business credibility by presenting a more established and professional image to investors, lenders, and customers, essentially allowing your business to exist beyond your ownership and facilitating the more effortless transfer of ownership. Critical benefits of incorporating. Limited liability. The primary advantage is that your assets are protected from business debts and lawsuits, as the corporation is considered a separate legal entity from its owners. Perpetual existence. The business can continue to operate even after the death of an owner or change in ownership, allowing for long-term continuity. Increased investment potential. A corporation can more easily raise capital by issuing shares to investors, making it more attractive to potential funding sources. Business credibility. A formal corporate structure can give clients and partners a more established and trustworthy image. Tax benefits. Depending on the corporate structure, tax advantages may exist, such as separate taxation from individual owners. Ownership transferability. Shares in a corporation can be easily transferred to new owners, making it easier to sell or pass on the business. Important considerations. Increased administrative burden. Incorporating usually involves more paperwork and compliance requirements than a sole proprietorship. Legal costs. Legal fees may be associated with the incorporation process. Double taxation. Depending on the corporate structure, profits may be taxed once at the corporate level and again when distributed to shareholders. We value your curiosity. If you could ask our business professionals one question, what would you ask them? This stream video presentation was designed to encourage you to go to our company website where we can assist the self-help entrepreneur with tips on doing business-related tasks and responsibilities that remote freelance business professionals may handle. Even though some entrepreneurs wear many hats at startups to focus on running a business well, successful entrepreneurs, microenterprises, small businesses, mid-sized companies, and large corporations select business support services outsourced. Why? They want to delegate duties and responsibilities to business professionals and remote staff to keep up with increased workloads and outsource work assignments and projects to business professionals and staff to reduce business operating expenses so that they can focus on their core reason for conducting business. First-time free consultation. While you may have already chosen one or more of our business support services provided remotely by our business professionals, we understand the importance of a free first-time consultation. Virtual meetings can be used to answer the many questions that most business-minded people have, and this is done free of charge with no obligation to buy at Minds for Biz Incorporation. Your online conference meeting with one of our business professionals lets us know your needs and preferences, ensuring that the service order and business proposal we create align with your business-related needs, goals, and aspirations. It also allows you to experience our remote proficient online business support service center and understand how we can add value to your business. During your scheduled virtual conference meeting, you can discuss your business needs, get answers to your business-related questions, and get a better understanding of how we can better serve you. Minds for Biz Incorporation invites you to take the next step and schedule a remote meeting with our remote freelance business professionals. Click the free consultation button on our website, fill in your details, and select a convenient time for your first virtual meeting with us. Thanks for taking the first step towards enhancing your business operations, and your first meeting with us is free of charge. Why not select business support services provided by one of our independently contracted freelance business professionals today? We eagerly await your response and would love to serve you.